it's me, Nikki, and I am here with a real quick Walmart haul for the end of the month of June. And so I just picked up some fill-in stuff, milk, juice, coffee, that type of thing. So I'll show you what I got. I got this bag of 6 avocados. I got some lettuce. I got all of the kids one of these. They were 25 cents on clearance, and so this was their dessert tonight. This one's a Melody's when she gets home from youth group. And then I got 2 bags of these sugar peas and a bag of cherries. I got a big container of blueberries, and then I got three bags of frozen fruit. So this one's blackberries, strawberries, and pineapple. I got mango, papaya, and pineapple. And I got pineapple, bananas, and strawberries. I got a big thing of granola bars. I got 4 boxes of cereal. I got Life, Lucky Charms, Special K for Mom, and Frosted Mini Wheats in the back. And then I got Go-Gurts for my freezer for the weekend. I got 3 big things of yogurt. This one I'm going to use in my smoothies with the frozen fruit. But then I got strawberry and peach for the kids. And I got rice pudding for me to have as desserts. I got 2 big containers of strawberries. They smell amazing. I got some ciabatta bread. Those are my husband's favorite for sandwiches. I got some lemonade. I got a big, huge thing of 48 coffees. I got 2 bags of chips. I got orange juice for my husband, orange juice for the kids. And I got 4 gallons of milk. I got coffee creamer, and I got a big thing of apple juice. And then the non-food stuff that I got some school stuff, and I got some summer clothes and some laundry stuff. So for school, I got this little book that I figured that I would probably put in with Melody's stuff for the start of the school year. I got some new dry erase markers and some new Sharpies. Those were both on a clearance rack. I got a clock for $2, which we needed, and then I got a binder for putting our lesson plan in, and then I got some construction paper, because we can always stock up on that. As far as laundry goes, I got some dryer sheets. I love Gain, so I got the Island Fresh dryer sheets. I got the Moonlit Breeze fireworks. And then I always buy the Mango Tango laundry soap. And when I don't make laundry soap, which I haven't in probably 6 months, this is what I get. So Jackson outgrew his shoes, so he got a cute little pair of sandals. And Miss Riley has outgrown her shoes, so she got a pair of sandals. And she's very excited because those match Sissy sandals. I just got this little undergarment. And then these are just some little jean shorts. They're the Bermuda style ones. I got this super cute strapless dress. It's real long, and it's got that real pretty flowery print on it. And then Jackson got a set of onesies. They came with it's a t-shirt, a onesie, and a pair of shorts. It says Rookie, and this says Mommy's Big League Cutie. And then I got him the short and t-shirt set with the little turtle, and then the shorts have little turtles swimming on them too. And then I got just myself a little short-sleeved white sweater to go over the dress. I got a couple bras, and then I got myself a bathing suit, which I know that it's already June, and my kids have already been swimming several times, but I just got myself a bathing suit, so it looks like a little dress. And then I got myself a pair of capris. So that is what we got. I spent a total of $207, and yeah, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe below, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.